A lot of us have experienced delayed messages and slow WhatsApp connections, right? Videos sometimes take too long to upload, messages don't get sent for long periods of time, and the video calls have always sucked. Many times, when WhatsApp is running slow for you, it has nothing to do with the app and everything to do with your connection. If your signal strength is spotty, or fluctuating because you move around, you will often experience a lag when you're using WhatsApp. This prevents you from sending or receiving messages or videos or whatever else. Now, you may try turning on both Wi-Fi and cellular data on your phone, but sadly both iOS and Android are set up to have all of your traffic go through just one connection. Because of the way phones are designed, they can only use one connection at a time, normally. When you are running WhatsApp and trying to stream or send a message, all that data is either going through Wi-Fi or your cellular connection. So even if you turn on both, your phone is unable to use both at the same time without Speedify. Speedify changes how your phone handles data transmission. Instead of forcing everything into either Wi-Fi or cellular, we unlock your device's full capabilities to use both connections at the same time. This means a faster, smoother video experience and overall a more reliable internet. The app also helps prevent messages from getting stuck, because even if one connection drops out, Speedify's seamless failover can just switch the traffic to a working connection. And it does this immediately, meaning no interruptions, and your message will always be delivered. If you're on the move a lot, using Wi-Fi on trains and public transportation, where the signal can get unreliable and super slow, Speedify can give you a stable connection and allow you to move easily from one room in your office or on a train to another. By combining both Wi-Fi and cellular and switching between them as needed. Plus, if you're hanging out with friends, you can even use their cellular connections to get an even stronger, more stable mega connection for sending messages or doing video calls on WhatsApp. All you need to do is have everyone's phone connect to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. Download Speedify for free and pair your phones together so they can share their cellular connections. This is what we call pair and share. This way your entire group can enjoy better, faster, more reliable, and secure internet. On top of all that, Speedify is built on top of a fast and secure VPN with a very strict no logs policy. When you're using WhatsApp or any other internet-connected app, your data is kept safe from surveillance, and your device is protected against hackers who may have compromised the Wi-Fi. That's it. I hope that helps. If you want to learn more useful tech tips on how to make your internet faster, more reliable, and more secure, subscribe to our channel for more videos.